Hey everyone, recently I upgraded my Keychron K2 to the Keychron K3. I'm going to talk to you about why this just might be my all-time favorite keyboard to have ever used. Now, I'm someone who regularly types on the Apple Magic keyboard because I love the low profile, and I love how easy and quick it is to type on the Apple Magic keyboard. I haven't been able to really replicate that with any other keyboard up to this point until now. The Keychron K3 offers something that I've really wanted for a long time, and that is mechanical keys on a low profile keyboard. The keyboard doesn't stand too far off of your desk, and if you do need a little bit of an angle towards the back, you can just use the kickstands that are built in. Now, these were not part of the Keychron K3 version 1, but they are part of the version 2, and if you would like to get the Keychron K3 version 2, which is the same one in this video, be sure to check out my link down in the description for the absolute best price on one. I'm using the brown switches, which I find to be my absolute favorite switches on any mechanical keyboard. I think that they have a really nice sound to them, a really nice click sound. But they also are not so loud that they would be annoying or disruptive to others in the room or over long periods of time. Let's listen to a sound sample of the Keychron K3 with brown switches as I type. This keyboard is compatible with both Mac and PC, meaning that you can use it on just about any device. It also works on iOS and Android devices, so it makes for a really nice portable keyboard that works on a variety of devices. Again, be sure to check out that link down in the description. Get yourself the Keychron K3 version 2. I recommend the brown switches, but they come in a variety of different sounds. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out in any way. I didn't want to spend a lot of time on the technical details. I just wanted to let you hear the switches and give you that bit of information about how the Keychron K3 version 2 is the only one out of the Keychron K3 series that has the kickstand in the back. Subscribe if you haven't already. It really means a lot in terms of growing this channel. Statistics show that most of you aren't subscribed, so I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys later.
Like Maine, better switch my pants, sign a couple autographs, written my name like